Hi everybody, this is Jason with EAS. I wanted to go ahead and give you a quick video update from Extendasuites El Paso. That's right, El Paso is on the board and doing quite well, if I might add. So we are not even finished. We painted, we put our signage up. There's still some more lighting and some more renovations going. We added an NFL ticket to the brand new DirecTV package that we have here at Extendasuites, and we've got another couple coming down the road with the NFL ticket as well, which means that you can watch every single NFL game. So contractors, everybody who loves football gets to come at our hotel, and we're one of the very few hotels that have the NFL ticket at their hotel. So it's kind of a cool add-on for our guests. Anyway, I don't even think you can see it, but right on the other side of this road is I-10, and it's usually a ton of traffic, but we got the El Paso Stone. We left that, we didn't cover that up, but everything else is basically the typical Extendasuites template. Good traffic here, great location. El Paso is a great market, and with some of the slight modifications that we've made, we've actually done you know, you've seen these incremental increases in occupancy. So it's been actually really cool to see. That guy was like, it's really cool to see the improvements that are made at the hotel and the occupancy follow. So we've got a great market, great location. We're sitting up here basically on top of a hill, and that sign can be seen from practically Las Cruces coming from the west. So we got a really good property, interior corridor, 96 rooms. It also has, the rooms are actually large. The rooms are really, really big here. So any guest that stays here, they absolutely love the size of the rooms, the customer service, the vending that we have that's already set up. Matter of fact, I'll just go walk real quick. We've got meeting space over on this side right here. So we already rent out the meeting space as well. And the Davids and Dennis, they've done a really, really good job getting this place going. And I'll just take a real quick, let me just go in here. Guys on the phone, but obviously I'm just gonna take a quick photo.
No, ma'am, she hasn't been here yet.
We got our menu right here. You go up the stairs. All right, let me get out of here. I got to make my way out to the next Extendasuites on the road here on I-10. So as you can see, speaking of I-10, there's I-10 way down there. So I don't know if you can tell, but if I can blow it up, that's I-10. A lot of construction, a lot of growth going on in El Paso. College town, military town. Has all the fundamentals that we're looking for when we're going into a market. All right, thanks guys. We'll see you at the next Extendasuites.